From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it looks like near record warmth today, and we'll have it again tomorrow. We tied a record today, 88 degrees, set back in 1924, and this 2022, and tomorrow's record's 88 degrees as well, and we may come close to that, but a little bit cooler later this week, a lot cooler. Fall is coming this weekend, guaranteed on that, but the tropics still busy, so let's get into it and show you what's going on as we look at the water vapor imagery. And we're under the influence of high pressure across the Gulf Coast. That other high that's just a little bit off to the north and east of us is going to help shuttle in some cooler, drier air in concert as we have this low pressure system in the form of Nicole pulling down some cooler, drier air for us. This is not going to be an impact situation for us here in Louisiana, perhaps the extreme eastern Gulf of Mexico. We'll get to that in just a bit. Meanwhile, it's winter in the west and then tropical in the east, and we've been kind of in between and certainly well above normal with that ridge of high pressure dominating and a east-northeast wind that's not bringing much cooler air. Quick look at Power Doppler 3. Believe it or not, we do have a few isolated showers showing up, some up toward Avoyelles Parish north of Hammond, and then down southern portions of lower St. Martin Parish by the Stevensville area, seeing a couple of isolated showers here that may work their way into other populated areas with time, but I would think with the loss of daytime heating, that shower will fall apart shortly. Big picture, as we get out into the tropics, we have two systems we're watching. One up here that might develop down with time, but that's up in the North Atlantic. But this is what we call a subtropical hybrid. It's not a tropical system. It's an area of low pressure that is organized, but it's not getting its energy yet from the Gulf Stream and the warm ocean temperature. So that's why this is called a subtropical storm. 45-mile-per-hour winds. It's moving to the northwest. Pressures are dropping, and this is probably going to undergo a tropical, acquire tropical characteristics as we get into tomorrow night and Wednesday. Hurricane warnings for the northwestern Bahamas, hurricane watches for the east coast of Florida, and this storm is expected to become a Category 1 hurricane before threatening Florida, much of the peninsula, and then much of the east coast with wind and battering storm surge and waves along the coast. Here's simulated satellite off of our graph model, and you can see the low pressure system gets cranked up right here. It's a tropical storm close to a hurricane. It skirts the northern Bahamas, then probably making landfall somewhere in Florida. It'll be interesting to see if they have to roll the Artemis rocket back into the building once again, as this is going to be threatening that area as well by the Space Coast. For us, fair to partly cloudy skies overnight tonight. Some fog, patchy fog by daybreak. 86 to 88 the high tomorrow. Nice and warm. Here's that little bit of a backdoor cool front that comes in from the east. It's still going to be warm Wednesday, but will favor lower 80s. And then Wednesday night, Thursday morning, we get down into the 50s. So a little bit closer to where we should be this time of year. Mild temperatures, upper 70s to lower 80s for your Thursday and Friday. Overnight tonight, here's that fog threat with some areas of fog now favored. This is the latest model guidance just came in. I-10 corridor on southward, so we might have a dense fog advisory, and hopefully the fog does not spoil our view of that lunar eclipse later on tonight. And these are the times in Central Standard Time. As the moon is setting in the western sky, it's going to go behind the Earth's shadow, and you're going to see that most pronounced right around 4 o'clock in the morning. The greatest eclipse, it's not a complete total lunar eclipse, but you're going to get a blood moon out there at 4:59 a.m. and then exiting that lunar eclipse as it gets closer to daybreak. Remember, sunrise is at about 6:17 now, so somewhere between 5 and 6 in the morning could be pretty cool looking in the western sky with a little, maybe a little daybreak breaking out there, and you'll have some objects close to the ground. But you're going to have to look to the western sky. It's going to be pretty low in the western sky, and it's late at night, 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning for that tonight. 67 the overnight low, so mild night ahead. That lunar eclipse peaking again right around 5 a.m. A few passing clouds and some fog developing through tomorrow morning. So it could be a little bit of a foggy start, but that clears up quickly. Certainly a warm election day. 87 the projected high. The record, again, 88 set back in 1927. So a little bit better and beautiful weather for Wednesday and Thursday with that little backdoor cool front stronger front gets here Friday with little fanfare on Veterans Day, and then definitively cooler, but a more unsettled pattern behind the next front. It's going to look and feel like fall. Highs upper 50s to lower 60s mostly. That's actually normal for the middle of the winter, and overnight lows dipping down into the 40s. So don't worry. It's going to be coming. Yeah. It's jacket and sweater weather back this weekend.
Today, temperatures in the 80s. You had a tropical update. It kind of did feel like
a little
summer.
bit of everything going on. And watch out for the moon tonight. A little craziness, blood moon.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, Rob.
Right.